Every day, millions of people wake up feeling tired, heavy, foggy, or just not like themselves. And most of them assume it's simply because they're stressed, older, or out of shape. But what if these symptoms aren't random at all? What if your body has been trying to tell you something important long before it gets your full attention? Today, we're going to talk about 5 subtle signs that your mitochondria, the tiny energy generators inside your cells, may be slowing down. These signs are more common than you think, and the moment you learn to recognize them, everything starts to make sense. Your metabolism, your energy levels, your mood, your focus, and even your daily productivity. This video isn't about fear, and it's not about medical advice. It's about helping you understand your body better so you can make simple changes that support your energy naturally. And at the end, I'll share a free 7-day mitochondria reset guide you can download to support your energy step by step. Let's start with the most common sign. You wake up tired, even after a full night's sleep. This doesn't always mean your sleep was bad. Sometimes your body simply isn't producing enough cellular energy overnight to make you feel refreshed in the morning. If your first instinct is to grab your phone, scroll for 5 to 10 minutes just to wake your brain up, or you feel like your head is still foggy even after getting out of bed, that's a classic sign that your morning energy system may be lagging. Waking up tired doesn't mean you're lazy or weak. It's often your body saying, I didn't create enough usable energy while you slept. And remember, your body doesn't run on caffeine. It runs on cellular energy. The second sign is a noticeably slower metabolism, a feeling that your body doesn't respond the same way it used to. Maybe you're eating similar foods. Maybe your routine hasn't changed, and yet your weight is harder to manage. You feel more bloated, or your stomach looks puffier throughout the day. This isn't simply aging. Your metabolism is closely tied to mitochondrial activity. So when your cellular energy slows, your metabolic signals slow too. Many people describe it like this. I didn't change anything, but my body changed. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying, but nothing seems to work. The third sign is something almost everyone has experienced at least once, the afternoon crash. This usually happens between 1 p.m. and 4 p.m. One moment you're fine. The next moment you feel like someone just unplugged your batteries. You may start craving sugar, coffee, or something salty. Your focus drops, your posture slumps, and productivity becomes almost impossible. This doesn't mean you're doing anything wrong. It's often a sign that your body isn't producing steady energy throughout the day. When mitochondria slow, your energy curve looks like a roller coaster. Morning spike, midday crash, evening exhaustion. Small habits can help stabilize this, but the first step is recognizing what's happening. Is brain fog, a slow, cloudy, or unfocused feeling that makes it harder to think clearly. Brain fog isn't just forgetfulness. It's a feeling like your mental speed isn't what it used to be. Your brain uses more energy than almost any organ in your body. So, when mitochondria slow, your thinking speed often slows too. You may notice things like difficulty concentrating, needing to reread sentences, forgetting small tasks, losing your train of thought, feeling mentally heavy, slower decision making. It can affect work, relationships, creativity, and even confidence. And sign number 5 is low physical motivation, or feeling like your body is too heavy or drained to do the things you want to do. This isn't about discipline, it's not about willpower. When your body doesn't have enough energy, even simple tasks like walking, cleaning, or exercising can feel 2 or 3 times harder. Here's something important. Your body isn't trying to sabotage you. Your body is trying to protect you by slowing you down and conserving energy. If you've experienced one or more of these signs, it doesn't mean something is wrong with you. It usually means your cells need better support. Modern life makes it incredibly easy for the body to fall into an energy deficit. Too much sitting, not enough sunlight. Inconsistent eating patterns, high stress, processed foods, low movement, irregular sleep, overstimulation from screens. Most people don't have low energy because they're weak. They have low energy because their environment makes it hard for the body to thrive. The good news is that mitochondria respond really well to small, consistent changes. You don't need extreme diets or intense routines. You just need simple, repeatable habits. Top habits: morning sunlight exposure, hydration before caffeine, simple mobility through the day, whole foods and balanced meals, reducing ultra-processed snacks, prioritizing evening wind down, occasional walking breaks. Even tiny improvements in your habits can create noticeable changes in your daily energy. To make this easier, I created a free 7-day mitochondria reset guide you can download. It's simple, friendly for beginners, and designed to help you support your energy step by step without intense changes. Each day includes 1 or 2 habits you can start immediately. This guide is perfect if your goal is to feel more energetic, feel lighter in your daily routine, reduce afternoon crashes, get clearer focus, support your metabolism naturally. You can find the link to download the guide in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to explore the free 7-day guide and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to learn about next. Thank you for watching, and remember, small habits can make a big difference in your energy, your clarity, and how you show up every day.